Hey guys, sanibona, yazi a big secret has been revealed lapha emzini. You know, uSimphiwe didn't have to dig deep ngokuthi ukubani umanipulated or Ratilo's picture because uJune vele wasuka straight emlomeni wengwenyama. And now let's talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my past videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Now ubuka phela mina bengithi uSimphiwe the cyber security expert uzothwala kanzima la kuJune amsokolise at least naye trying to hide nayo into efana naleyo only to find out ukuthi uJune wasuka same time when he finds out ukuthi khona umuntu who's here cyber security expert uvele washake same time went straight to this girl, spoke to her, wamcela ukuthi amfihlele yonke lento and promised to pay her money. And for a minute I thought Simphiwe took June's bribe, but I'm really glad that he finally exposed him in the end. Now uJune akazi uthenze njani because he's finally been found. As we are seeing on screen right now, nanguma Oratile phela Oratile bemile laphana. June qala ukuthola impama enzima kabi ukuthi how could you do this? How could you manipulate my daughter's picture like this? Wahlangana nempama enzima kabi. And I'm really glad that he's finally been found. Angazi ukwenze njani manje because Usha and his father are not willing to help him out. Now asazi noma uzoboshwa noma what is going to happen to him. And to find out more on this, keep on watching him and comment in the comment section of this post. In Chelsea, what did you think about this whole scene? Because I enjoyed it so much. So share your thoughts there, share opinions, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and also share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. So with all of that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.